Welcome to Poetrymix. Phoenix, Arizona, known for its scorching desert heat, relies heavily on air conditioning systems to provide comfort and relief to its residents. However, like any mechanical system, air conditioners can encounter issues and breakdowns over time. When faced with AC problems, it is crucial to seek the services of reliable and experienced professionals who can quickly diagnose and repair the systems. In Phoenix, a city accustomed to extreme temperatures, several exceptional AC repair services are available to ensure residents stay cool and comfortable throughout the year. Expertise and skillful diagnosis. The best AC repair services in Phoenix boast highly skilled and certified technicians who possess extensive knowledge of various air conditioning systems. These professionals are equipped with the expertise to accurately diagnose and troubleshoot a wide range of AC problems. Whether it's a faulty compressor, refrigerant leak, electrical issue, or airflow obstruction, these experts are adept at identifying the root cause of the problem. Through thorough inspections and the use of advanced diagnostic tools, they can pinpoint the issue swiftly and provide the most effective repair solutions. Prompt and reliable repairs. Timely repairs are vital when dealing with malfunctioning air conditioning systems, especially in the extreme heat of Phoenix. The top AC repair services in the city understand the urgency of the situation and strive to provide prompt and reliable repair services. These reputable service providers arrive equipped with the necessary tools and parts to address a wide range of AC issues. From repairing electrical components and refrigerant leaks to replacing faulty parts and optimizing airflow, their skilled technicians ensure that the repairs are conducted efficiently and effectively. They aim to restore the cooling performance of the AC system and minimize downtime for residents. Preventive maintenance and tune UPS. The best AC repair services in Phoenix also emphasize the importance of preventive maintenance and routine tune-ups. Regular maintenance helps extend the lifespan of air conditioning systems, improve energy efficiency, and prevent major breakdowns. Experienced technicians conduct comprehensive inspections, clean or replace filters, check electrical connections, lubricate moving parts, and perform necessary adjustments to optimize the system's performance. By scheduling regular maintenance appointments, homeowners can proactively identify potential issues and ensure their AC systems are operating at peak efficiency. Emergency services and support. Phoenix residents know that air conditioning breakdowns can happen at any time, often during the hottest days. The top AC repair services in the city understand the urgency of these situations and offer emergency repair services. These services are available 24/7, ensuring that residents can receive immediate assistance when they need it the most. Whether it's a sudden malfunction or a complete system failure, these dedicated technicians are just a call away, ready to provide prompt and efficient repairs and restore comfort to homes. Customer satisfaction and guarantees. The best AC repair services in Phoenix prioritize customer satisfaction and stand behind their work. They take pride in delivering exceptional service and often offer guarantees on their repairs. These guarantees provide peace of mind to residents, assuring them that if any issues arise shortly after the repair, the service provider will promptly address and resolve them. By choosing reputable AC repair services in Phoenix, homeowners can feel confident that they are receiving high-quality service and long-lasting solutions.